Ready to go from this to this in just 30 days? Let's make the impossible possible. Welcome to my channel, where we focus on helping you achieve your fitness goals and say goodbye to stubborn belly fat. Our first exercise is the classic crunch. Start by lying on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the ground. Place your hands behind your head or crossed on your chest. Engage your core and lift your upper body off the ground, using your abdominal muscles. Remember to keep your chin slightly lifted and avoid pulling on your neck. Repeat for a set of 12 to 15 repetitions. The second exercise is the plank, which is fantastic for engaging your core and tightening your abdominal muscles. Begin by getting into a push-up position, resting on your forearms instead of your hands. Keep your body in a straight line from head to toe, engage your core, and hold this position for as long as you can, aiming for 30 to 60 seconds. As you progress, gradually increase the duration. Our third exercise is the Russian twist, an effective way to target your obliques. Sit on the ground with your knees bent, leaning back slightly while maintaining a straight spine. Lift your feet off the ground, balance on your tailbone, and clasp your hands together. Rotate your torso from side to side, bringing your hands towards the floor on each side. Perform 12 to 15 twists on each side. Bicycle crunches are an excellent exercise for engaging your core and burning belly fat. Lie flat on the ground with your lower back pressed into the floor. Place your hands behind your head, elbows out to the sides. Lift your shoulder blades off the ground and bring your left knee towards your chest while simultaneously twisting your torso to bring your right elbow towards the left knee. Repeat on the opposite side, creating a pedaling motion. Aim for 12 to 15 reps on each side. Lastly, we have mountain climbers, a high-intensity exercise that targets your entire core while also engaging your upper body and legs. Start in a push-up position with your hands directly under your shoulders. Drive your knees towards your chest, alternating legs in a running motion. Keep your core tight and your hips level. Perform this exercise for 30 to 60 seconds. And there you have it, our top 5 belly fat busting exercises. Remember, consistency and dedication are key when it comes to losing belly fat. Incorporate these exercises into your fitness routine 2 to 3 times a week, along with a balanced diet and overall healthy lifestyle. Stay motivated, and you'll see results in no time.
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment below.